Hello student, welcome back again in online studies. As you all know, we have started lesson number 2 of EVS. So now we will turn towards page number 13. You also take out your page number 13 and we will write the answers over there with a pencil, which is think and tell. So we will start A and B question from page number 13. What's the solution? If you have learned yesterday's previous video, you will come to know that in uh, that lecture also I have explained you the answer. Mosquitoes grow in stagnant water. They spread diseases like malaria, dengue, chikungunya. Steps are to be taken to stop their growth. So at first we will make sure that nowhere stagnant water is there around our area, and wherever the stagnant water is there, that we will emptied, and we will make sure that our surrounding should be clean and pure. Then only the growth of the mosquito we can stop. Okay, and the next question we will move towards, that is B, think and tell. A beetle is an animal that flies, but it is a bird or an insect? So beetle, you know. Beetle, have you seen the beetle? It's like a flies also. Fly, it's look like a fly, beetle. Okay, but is it a bird or an insect? So as we all know, yesterday only we have seen the insect are having 6 legs. Though they are small in size, but they are having 6 legs. So beetle is an insect. So what is the answer over there? We have to just tell the answer, not write the answer. So the beetle is an insect. Second question, what is common between a fish and a chameleon? Can you just tell? So many differences are there. We will see one or two only. The fish lives in water. Chameleon doesn't live in water. Second thing, the fish has scale that fins on its body. Chameleon has scaly body. Okay, the fish absorb the oxygen from the water, and chameleon can breathe outer atmosphere and take out the took the oxygen for breathing. Third question, name an animal which has strips on its body. So which has strips on its body? We can say zebra. And sometimes means not regularly, the tiger has also strips on its body. Okay. Fourth question, why do people who live in desert keep camels? So you know that camel is the animal which can survive in the hot weather also. That is why mostly camel found in the deserted area. And the structure of his bodies is like that, that the camel can survive into the desert area. Okay, so the people, those who are living in the desert area, they keep camel for their own use, to travel and to do the other activities. That is why camel is also called the sheep of the desert. Okay. Question number 5, why do people keep sheep? So you can also give the answer. It is very easy, that sheep is also a useful animal to human being. People keep sheep to get wool from it. Next question, that is question number 6. Why do people keep hens? And it is very common question. Everyone knows its answer. The people keeps hens to get eggs and to get the chicken from it. The people are having chickens and eggs. That is why they are keeping hens with them. Question number 7. Write the names of animals which run very fast. So some of the animals that run very fast are cheetah, deer, and leopard. Question number 8. Write the names. Horse also is the fastest running animal. Question number 8. Write the names of bird which soar high into the sky. So the birds which are soar high into the sky are kite, यानी जिसको हम घार बोलते हैं, चील बोलते हैं, हिंदी में चील, मराठी में घार, और इंग्लिश में काइट बोलते हैं. ओके. एंड again, eagle is also the bird which soar high into the sky. Okay. 9th question, that is, which animal have spots on their body? So you must have observed so many animals, they have the spots on their body. Sometimes pet animals like cow and dogs, they are also having spots on their body. Sometimes if you observe the cheetah is also having the spots on its body. And so many animals are there, they have the spots on their body. Question number 10 now. That is, which animal have a mane? Okay, so as you all know, the king of the jungle, the lion has mane. The lion have mane on it, around its neck. Okay, that is called mane. The long hair of its face, from the head to the neck, that is called the mane. Okay, so this much only. And whatever the exercise is given, that like question number C, fill in the blanks. Question number D, find and tell. And question number E, answer the questions. Later on, then true and false, match the following, name the following animals, how many legs do each of the following animals have, that you will get into your WhatsApp group. Okay. Now question number D, that is activity, and you are going to do that. So what is the activity? Obtain a picture of any one of the following animal. Like shekru means a giant squirrel, which is the state bird of Maharashtra. Harial, yellow-footed green pigeon, that is harial. Rhinoceros, lion. Any one from these 4. तुमको जो मिलता है 4 एनिमल में से, जैसे शेखरू, हरियाल और राइनासोरस और लायन, चारों में से कोई भी एक पिक्चर्स उनको कलेक्ट करना है और कलेक्ट सम इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट इट, राइट इट डाउन एंड प्रेजेंट इट टू योर class. So what you will do, you will just take any one of the picture from given all 4 animal. You will stick it on your notebook, and you will write some information related to it, just like 3 or 4 lines, and you will click a photo of it, and you are going to send it on the school's WhatsApp group. Okay, so understood. And this time I want everyone's activity complete. Those who are going to complete the activities, that students are going to get the good remarks. Okay, so complete the activity, think and tell answers again, revise it, read that questions and find out the answers. If you want to add more animals into it, you can add. And whatever the glossary, whatever the exercises there, that you will get on your WhatsApp group. Till then, just read the lesson, learn the hard words. Okay.